So I just got done laying out the new round of parts. We've got some tubular arms, uppers, and lowers from Van Steel. Pretty nice units, all powder coated, and they come with like Moog ball joints in them already. Upside down. Really nice. Come with it all assembled and ready to roll. So don't even have to press in ball joints. It's got the uppers over here. They all have grease fittings. Let's see, the uppers Moog as well. Uppers don't say anything on them. DM. I'm not sure. The uppers might just be generic. But these are the cool features about it. These are single adjustable, but they're basically a QA1 shock set together by Van Steel with the upper mount. So that's basically going to go inside the stock pockets. And then I also have this these brackets here. These go on the ends of the control arm on the inside, and then you hook up these little rod joints here, as well as this aluminum bar. It's like a big tie rod, and this spreads the control arm towers apart, keeps them nice and rigid. There we go. A little bit of heat. A little bit of heat right there. You can kind of see it smoking. I was able to get it out. The reason I didn't want to use a pickle fork on this was I didn't want to destroy this control valve. I think pretty good shape, so we can reuse it on something. We were able to save that. Yeah, we can just unhook all this junk. This was just all up in here just to support it while I heated that thing up, but all this is getting replaced. Going with some manual steering rods and all that, because the new upgraded power steering gearbox is going to not need any of that. So we're gonna do a zip tie. Man, I'm glad to get that off. That thing was a pain. I've never had them that stuck. Usually a pain to get off. That was horrible. Alright, so we got everything cleaned up and painted. Trying to be a sniper. I got a few overspray spots, so I'm gonna have to clean those up. But I have one on that header, one on this header, and then one on this plug wire, a little dot. So I'm gonna go around and wipe it down with brake cleaner, and that'll clean it up. But yeah, she's coated. She looks good. Ready to put those control arms in now. One thing I forgot to mention, we have the stock steering gear on the right and the new upgraded power steering gear, the Borgeson unit, on the left. We have a brace that's going to go from the top of the bolts on the pad up top, and it ties it into the frame with the 3 bolts. It comes with new hardware as well as the lines to connect it to your factory setup. Don't forget to take your 2 bolts out. Alright, so we're going to have to collapse the steering column in order to fit this in. Guys, well, that's pretty much going to sum it up for this thing. Shining a little bit of light on it, but cleaned up the undercoat on everything. There we go, some Van Steel shocks. They're made by QA1, it looks like, and you got single adjustable, so that's pretty nice. You got some Moog lower ball joints. I'm not sure if those tops are Moogs, but I assume they are. But yeah. Runs across, it's adjustable, so that'll pretty much take care of it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, we're going to be doing some more projects. We're going to finish up with this one as well, so stay tuned.